Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, he didn't stall it. Good job, Gabe.
That's my one weakness with doing cool e-brake turns. I always forget about the clutch. What's up, guys?
Brendan here with Novice Garage and Gabe. I'm featuring Gabe here today.
Brendan Sampley featuring Lil Gabe. Alright, guys.
We're making music soon, right?
Dude, yeah, like we want to make some music. Like, I mean, freaking Lil Pump can do it. Why can't we? You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, I don't see why not. I mean, obviously it's pretty easy. You find an intelligent person that can do beats and
fuck around.
Make money, right? Nah, I wish it was that easy. Alright, guys, so what's going on? We need a script. This video is proudly sponsored by our Instagram page, novice_garage. We're not
probably
really
sponsored.
Proudly sponsored. I'm just saying that so you go follow it. Go follow the Instagram page.
Link in description.
One wheel appeal, dude. It's so quiet, you can't even tell. The goal today, basically what we're doing, we're just gonna take the Miata for some spirited driving. This car is bone stock, guys, and I know in the last video I mentioned that the clutch was slipping a little bit. Well, it seems to have fixed itself.
What about the clutch levels? Was it fine too?
Yeah, so when we drove the car home, like on the way back, it was slipping on the highway, and I parked the car overnight, and then the next day it went away. So I've came to the conclusion it's either one of two things. Number one, there may have been some surface rust that formed on the flywheel that, you know, had to be kind of resurfaced just by driving it. Or number two, it's temperature related with the hydraulic system for the clutch, because the slipping went away, but the temperatures also dropped. I just signed this car up, guys, for its first autocross event. Actually, the first autocross event for me in like over a year. So I'm really pumped for that. I'm gonna be there. Bren's gonna be there. Ian's hopefully gonna be there.
Possibly gonna be there.
Zach should be there, hopefully.
We're gonna autocross the Jeep, guys. Right?
Yeah, like, you know, flip it.
Is that even a class? Are you allowed to?
No, you can't take SUVs. There's a rule with like wheel span to like height or whatever, and the Jeep would fail really bad. So it's 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks from now.
Yeah, 2 weeks. All right, so for any people that aren't aware of what this car is, this is the first year they made the Miatas. It's a 1990. It is bone stock, literally one owner car. I'm the second owner on it. Just transferred the title. I kind of didn't want to transfer the title just because the title was so cool. Like, you know, it comes from 1990.
Damn, that's a
great car. It's bone stock, and we're gonna be doing the autocross event with it being bone stock.
We got a new microphone mount right here on the beard. Joe could do this one too. It's cold as f out here. Not really. Only when it's windy. Yeah, I'll narrate this.
All right.
We're going to Canada, just like Nelk. Nelk, if you watch this, we're dropping a banger.
Dropping a banger, boys.
We do full sends only on Novice Garage. Oh, come on, you gotta sling it around too. We're at 40 miles an hour. 42.
44! Ah!
All right, so we're getting classy in here, rolling the windows up, top down still.
Yeah.
Do a burnout.
All right, 0 to 60, or 20 to 60.
All right, almost there.
Almost there.
And 60. Did it before we got on the on-ramp.
That's pretty good. Not bad.
So 0 to 100. See if we can get there. $90. There's some nice houses out here in Mexico.
I know. So one thing I'm conflicted about personally is I don't know if I want to do the sleeper route or just keep the thing stock. That's basically my two options that I've decided I'm gonna do in this car possibly. Just keep it stock, maintain it, or B, you know, go all out sleeper build. I think a sleeper build would be really cool. I think the only aesthetic thing I would change about it maybe is a roll bar and lower it a little bit.
Yeah, my car is about to stand life. All right, guys, so after driving around for a little bit, looks like we found some good roads, some curbs. We're gonna get about 3 Gs within the turn here. Woo!
It's a little bit of understeer, not too bad.
There is a little bit of traffic out here in Mexico, so we're trying to take it a little bit easy.
Yeah.
Another curve. So it says the curve, we should take it at 30 miles an hour. We're gonna take it about 70.
The tires are on this car right now. They're a little bit older. Kind of dry ride a little bit, not too bad. Oh yeah, that's a good turn right here. There we go.
Oh, and it cuts back.
There we go. Slow down a little bit. Got that heel toe downshifted. Oh, no, that was a little bit too much actually. Should probably just go back to third. Yeah. Definitely.
30 got a bridge here, yeah. Another turn, yeah.
Definitely a good road.
This is a good road here.
Yeah, I don't know what YouTuber said it, but before I even got on Miata, I was watching a review, and someone said a quote, not even a quote, but I really agree with what they said. This car is all about momentum. That's literally all it's about. It's not about power with a Miata. It's about just getting that speed up before you go into a turn and keeping that speed. The fun isn't accelerating out of the turn. The fun is in the turn. So, until you V8 swap it.
So V8 swap for the Miata?
Not low car friendly, that's for sure.
Oh no.
So I've owned one 1.8 car and two 1.6s now, and to be honest with you guys, there's not much of a difference. I feel like with the 1.8 you have a little bit more top end power, but like I said, there's not really that much of a difference at all. This transmission is definitely one of the better transmissions I've had. You can tell, like, it's lady driven, it's not beat on. Like a bunch of teenagers drifting at the high school parking lot, right?
Nope.
That's some good speed going. The shocks definitely have some life left to them.
Oh yeah, it's taking the turns and bumps pretty well.
Oh yeah. Alright. Little hairpin. Don't hit me a Camaro. Oh, it's a Mustang. It's not a Mustang, we're good. There's a lot of traffic on this road, unfortunately. A little bit sliding going on, we're good. Alright, that's fun.
Yeah, that's fun.
We're good. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, he didn't stall it. Good job, Gabe.
That's my one weakness with doing cool e-brake turns. I always forget about the clutch. So I'll do the turn and I'm like, oh crap, I didn't push the clutch in. It dies. It's okay though. Is that frozen? It looks frozen.
No, it's not that cold out here.
Alright. Round 3, let's do it.
Round 3.
Now again, I can't really go to the full potential. Hey, Subaru, I can't really go to the full potential here just because I don't want to be too unsafe. Slow down a little bit. Around the turn. Oh.
A little bit of understeer.
A little bit of braking traction right there. Yeah, I think the clutch problem went away. It's pretty good now.